Guys, welcome to What the Fact, our new segment where we're going to be answering questions about our range and anything else that you can throw at us. My name is Richard, I'm the APAC sales manager here at the Bearded Chap, and today I'm going to be tackling the question, what is beard oil? Okay, so you've got a beard, it's starting to look fantastic. You're getting compliments, people are looking at you and you're going, yeah, I'm really starting to love this. But it's starting to get really uncomfortable. Your face is always itchy. The hair is nowhere near as soft as the hair on your head, and you're starting to get white flakes fall everywhere all over your shirt. If you're anything like me, these discomforts are gonna make you want to shave your beard off. Don't. Well, I've got some news for you. You've got what we call Beard-Ruff. Beard-Ruff has to be the most annoying part of growing a beard. It's uncomfortable, it's itchy, in some really severe cases, it can actually hurt quite a bit. Now, how does this actually happen? Your body has natural oils that accumulate on the skin, but don't worry, this is completely normal. The one worth noting is sebum, which is derived from your sebaceous glands. Sebum is responsible for moisturizing and hydrating your skin and hair, which is really important for having healthy skin. If you have too much, your skin will become oily and could possibly develop pimples. But if you don't have enough, it gets red, it gets itchy, and actually develops those white flakes that go all over you. When you grow a beard, especially if it's the first time you've ever tried, your sebum production doesn't actually change, but the surface area it needs to cover grows as the beard hair grows out of your face. This stretches your sebum, and unfortunately, it means it's no longer as effective in hydrating the skin under your beard. If left unregulated, your skin will become quite dry, and unfortunately, you'll develop what we call Beard-Ruff. How do you fix it, you ask? By moisturizing the skin under your beard. As a word of warning, do not use a regular moisturizer because if you don't rub it in, it's white and it's gonna look pretty sus. This is where beard oil comes in. Beard oil is specifically formulated to be a hyper-intensive moisturizer, assisting the sebum production in hydrating, moisturizing, and nourishing the skin under your beard. This results in a healthier, fuller, and more comfortable beard, preventing any redness, itchiness, or even that dreaded beard-ruff. Now, you guys know why you use beard oil, but why use the Bearded Chap beard oil? Well, our beard oil was the very first Australian-made beard oil, and it took over 9 months to develop to get that recipe right. Our beard oil includes rosehip oil, which helps nourish and moisturize the skin. We've also thrown in jojoba oil, which helps reduce redness, assist in healing, and prevent pimples. Our unique formula absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no unnecessary grease or product buildup. And incorporating this into your skincare routine, you're gonna start to see results in as little as 10 to 14 days. All you need is 1 to 4 drops for a short beard, 4 to 6 drops for a longer style beard. Simply apply to your beard, making sure you start going against the grain so it actually gets the oil into the skin. From there, style as you like to allow the oil to soak into the face. The best way to determine how much you're gonna need, because every person is different, wait about an hour after you put it on. If your skin's oily, you've probably used a little bit too much. But if your beard is still dry, it's still itchy, there's still a bit of redness or flakes happening, you've not used enough, so use a little bit more next time. Guys, this has been What the Fact, our new segment where we're answering your questions about our range and anything else you can throw at us. My name is Richard, I'm the APAC sales manager here at the Bearded Chap. If you've liked the video, throw us a like, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you comment below with any other questions that you have so we can tackle them next time on our videos. Thanks a lot, guys.